they are most using a skills. In the other underdeveloped country, they are most using a degrees. How? Because thing is like that. In the like in the developed country, they are not doing a cheating like this kind of work. They are just focusing on their work. If they are doing, so they are not doing by the cheating, earning the money. They are first they are earn to the degrees. They are earn to the degrees, and the underdeveloped country see the underdeveloped country. First of all, in the underdeveloped country, they are first of all doing in the cheating. Then after they are by the cheating they are getting a money, and by the cheating they are taking the all things because they don't know what happened. They are just going on the wrong way. Think is like that. That if in the underdeveloped country skills will be there, so means that country will very good. But in there it's okay. But in the underdeveloped country they need skills. Then after they will.
Okay, the miss is over here and she's telling already that the developed country they need the skill, and underdeveloped country they need the degree. Miss, you are right, but the thing is that Miss, I should tell you now you are talking about the underdeveloped countries and the developed countries. Miss, the person who is improving the skills of the underdeveloped country, then you are speaking about that person. The person who is working in an underdeveloped country for the pupils, you are doing something. Nothing the pupils are doing. Only their words are over here. Really, your word will not shine your country. Your action will shine your country, but still the thing is that really Naga's word like the action is not as much powerful that our country should shine, or our words are not as much powerful that somebody should listen over there.
So Mr. I want to tell you that maybe you didn't listen my topic. I said that in the underdeveloped country they need a skill, and you are saying that in the underdeveloped country they need a degree, and the developed country they need a skill. No, you are wrong. Because the thing is like that in the underdeveloped country they need a skill. Huh? Because if they didn't have skills, so definitely see they are not shining and sparking here. They are just saying the big dialogues, but in their heart they are not doing anything. They are just thinking and just giving a big dialogue that I can do and I can do. But after that they didn't know anything about it. Huh? Because in the developed country is more important. Because in the developed country they have skills, so means that's why they are working too much hard. Their person are like that they are not doing a cheating thing. They are just focusing on the right way, and they are just not doing a cheating like big dialogues and become overconfident. They are doing a hard working, then they are safe.
Miss, you're talking about the degrees and skill. You know, you say that underdeveloped country need the skill and developed country need the degree. You know, if you say that like underdeveloped country need the skill, so why Ronaldo is not over here? Why Bruce Lee is not over here? Because they have some skill, so they are not over here. Because for what our country is not developed, that is the main reason. And we are over here. We are not. We are not supporting the real one. And you know who is taking more the degree? The son is taking more the degree. Nobody has as much degree. And you say that the person who is educated, they have the degree. You know, if they have degree, so they are also going to other country and they are not developing this country. Even in this country they have education, they have they have everything in their life, but they are still unthankful and they are going to another country and they are developing that country.
So then you are saying that what about Ronaldo and Messi? What they are doing? So first of all, I want to say you that they before when they they have a skills. They have a skills and they were doing a hard working. So how we are saying that when they are doing a hard working when they are becoming a tough, so then they will become something because every person is not like that they are saying a big dialogue that I can do, but they are not a overconfidence like a one human that he also do a overconfidence every time. They are not like them that they will do a big excuse that I can do. First of all, they are focusing on their game. They are not focusing on their when they win. So they are not first of all seeing a trophy. First of all, they are thankful. First of all, they are thankful to them that who gives them a power to